Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. In my hands I have the Gshock GA-710 and I'm going to show you how to sync your analog and digital time. So let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, and that is the mode when the watch tells the time and in this case in the lower screen tells the date, press and hold the upper left button for about 5 seconds until the zeros begin to flash. And let's go. Press and hold, and there it is. I released it and each set appeared over here and the zeros are flashing on this part of the lower subdial. Now the next step is to correct the hour and minute hand. This is the correct position of our hour and minute hand, so they both should be pointing directly at 12 o'clock. If they are not, press the upper button to rotate it clockwise. As you can see, the minute hand rotates, but the hour hand is following the movement of the minute hand. If you press the lower right button, it will move clockwise in increments of 20 seconds. So if the watch hands are way out of the alignment, you press and hold it and it will engage fast rotation. Stop it. Again, press and hold, fast rotation until you get it to the exact position. So press it and it will stop. Then you can fine tune it again to point it directly at 12 o'clock. Once your hands are pointed exactly at 12 o'clock, simply press the upper left button. The hands are now aligned. And you have done the procedure of aligning your watch hands or syncing your analog and digital time. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch-related content, please subscribe. So thank you.